Hello everyone, I am Duyazan Abdo. In this course, which is Android e-commerce app using Kotlin PHP and PayPal API, I am going to teach you a lot of skills, lot of practical skills from scratch, from how can you create a variable using Kotlin till how can you implement the PayPal SDK into your app so you can make an e-commerce application using Kotlin, PHP, and PayPal API. So let's start. What we are going to get in this course. The main objective of this course, as you see on the screen, number one, how can you get an idea of Kotlin programming language from scratch? If you don't have any idea about Kotlin, don't worry. I'm going to learn you Kotlin from scratch. From how can you create a variable using Kotlin? How can you write a simple application using Kotlin, how the Kotlin syntax look like. Then, what is the object-oriented concepts and how can you implement it using the Kotlin programming language? Then, also, you will learn how can you create a web services using PHP, and this web service will be connected to MySQL database, so you can insert, update, delete, and retrieve JSON object, JSON array from this database. Next, you are going to learn about how can you create an Android application using Kotlin. Then you are going to learn about how can you use Volley, Picasso libraries so you can get data from the server into your Android app. Also, you can download some photos from the server and show it in your app. The last thing will be how can you implement the PayPal SDK in your app. And to make this learning process more funny, I'm going to put all those items inside one project which are in e-commerce application. So this course consists of 5 parts. The first one is Kotlin basics, if, loop, arrays, object-oriented programming. The second part will be how to create a web service using PHP and connect them with MySQL. The third part will be how can you implement the Kotlin language in the Android, and the fourth part will be how can you create a complete application, a complete e-commerce application from your login activity to PayPal activity. From A to Z, you are going to create this application. So what you are going to need in this course? What are the required software? The first thing, you should install the JDK, the Java Development Kit. Next, you should install the NetBeans so you can create a PHP file, or you can use Notepad++, Zen Studio, up to you. The third thing, WAMP server or XAMPP server so we can upload our PHP file inside those web server. And the last thing is the Android Studio 3. All those softwares are free software, so you don't need to pay anything for those software. And if you don't have any programming language skills, don't worry. You can go to our channel, which is aden-it tube on the YouTube. You will get a basics programming for using C++, OOP, C# basics, Java, JavaScript, and so on. I hope to enjoy this course. Let's start.